so this is going to be the majorette routine for your mean one, Mr. Grinch. What I have done is I've broken it up into sections to make it a little bit more manageable to learn. So take one section at a time, learn it, review it, get really familiar with it, and then go on to the next section. The way I'm doing this is I'm doing it once, demonstrating and teaching it, facing the camera, and then I will do it again with counts facing away from the camera so you can follow along. Remember, you can slow this video down as well as speed it up so that way you can get more comfortable with the routine. So this first section, we are actually going to start off facing away from the audience, hands and baton down at your side. Notice the baton is just in sort of a cradle. So let me get set. From here, you will hold the first 7 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On count 8, your left leg will step out, your right toe will pop, and that head will turn over that right shoulder. So 7, 8. From here, we're going to do 7 counts of tiny bounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On count 8, we're going to put our weight onto that right leg, turn over that right shoulder, and leave that left toe popped. 8. From here, you have 1 count of 2 count, 1 8 count of 2 count bounces. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The hip just goes up on the odd numbers, down on the even. Then it's your turn to move. The footwork is left foot crosses right foot, touch right. Right foot crosses left foot, touch left. The baton work is just going to go a flip back behind your arm to a cradle and up. Left arm pushes down and up. You will come together and then flash down. So putting those 2 parts together, you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flip down 6, sit 7, up 8. Then you will have 1 more 8 count of 2 count bounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do a suit new turn to the left. A suit new turn is just a quick cross and uncross. So quick cross and uncross. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arms are just going to kind of back scratch over. 5, 6. Hit 7. That left leg goes out. Arms make an L. 8. From here, you will have 4 full 8 counts plus an additional 4. And at the beginning of that, we're just going to slowly bring that left arm down so it's a little bit more comfortable sitting position. And the way you would count that hold would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So let's try and do this together. Let me turn around. Actually, I face the camera to start this since y'all are now the back. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, look, 8. Bounce. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that is the end of the first section. This next section starts after the hold where we just counted 1, 2, 3, 4. On count 1, your arms come up and we're going to start horizontals. It's just going to be a chassé ball change to the left. Chassé is step together step, and then the ball change is back, front. Then we're going to go to the right. Step together step, ball change. Horizontals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice my left hand flicked up. Come straight out. 5, 6. Now it's going to go down. 7, 8. All the time the right hand's just doing horizontals. From here, you're going to do a box. So draw a circle down, draw a circle up. You're going to sling the baton to the end and wrap it around your neck where you grab left. So just to give you a little bit closer look up, we just box down and up. I sling my baton to the end. I come around my neck, and if you can't fully reach, that's fine. Your momentum, you can give it a little bit of a toss. And that's 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do another box, and of course, since it's left, this box starts up. Open the door, knock off your hat, unwind, and then we're going to do a horizontal toss. So 3, 4, top 5, bottom 6, toss 7, 8. Now, if you're not familiar with a horizontal toss, the way I like to teach it is you bring it out, you pizza palm it, so nice and flat, and then push it straight up. That motion of you pushing it out is what's going to give it its rotation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, toss 7, catch 8. And you will notice I toss with my left hand. During the toss, I bring both arms in, and then we catch right out in front. From here, we just landed 7, 8. You're going to do another box with the right. 1, 2, step left, 3, 4. And it's just bringing that to a nice pretty pose for your mommy. Yeah? From here, you sling the baton back to the end. It's going to circle over your head, tuck under your arm, and that left arm is going to come elbow in, and the baton that's now behind your back is just going to wrap around to it. So it's a form of a waist wrap, but your arm gets in the way. So we just caught our toss, step with a box, pose, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Here is where we get a little tricky. We're going to just do that same horizontal. It's going to be low and it's going to be quick. You open the door with your left hand, so bring it open. You're just going to push it straight up, and as you push it up, you're going to turn into it and catch it with your right to face back. So that's 1, 2, hold 3, 4. You're going to step away from the audience with your left foot 5. You're going to cut your baton and kick 6 and turn 7, 8. And when I say cut the baton, is it goes from here, it just whips and does a little half rotation. So, if y'all were to stand behind me, we just got done with the hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, step 5, kick 6, 7, 8. That is the end of section 2, and the next section is your feature section. So now we are on to the third section, which is going to be y'all's little feature section. So we just came around from the back, 7, 8. You're going to bring your arms down, and the baton's going to go up into a 2-hand spin. It's not continuous, so it's just going to stay in the left. And this is not to do a continuous 2-hand spin, you use more your fingers and less of your hand. But for what we're doing, baton comes out, your left hand cuts on top of it, it rolls in. Notice my left thumb is grabbing for it, and it just stays in that left hand. These are actually easier to do fast than trying to do them slower. But just so you can see what I'm doing. So we come 1, 2 hand spin, 2, uncross, it loops 3, up 4, you come in front of your face, and that baton, it almost like it just dips down. Your right hand comes to meet it, and it right hand under left, both thumbs are facing down. 5, come up 6, 7, drop into the tips for slings on 8. Now the footwork for this section is left, touch right, right, touch left. Looks a little familiar, yes? Well, the baton is going to do a sling front, sling back. Now that back sling, just that way you can see this a little bit better, is really my fingers are letting go and it's the baton slinging in the crevice of the thumb just right behind me. So putting that all together, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you're going to whip with a sling. A whip is just, my easiest way of describing it is you're just drawing a circle back behind you. You will notice though, take a look at my wrist, my shoulder, and my elbow. Wrist starts it, shoulder and elbow bring it on around and continue initiating it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, whip 5. On 6, you're going to go into a sling toss. Your arms, when you toss, are going to come up, down, and catch. So 6, 7, 8. Yeah? When you catch, we flash up 1, 2. You're going to go face towards the right and do figure 8s, 3, 4. We're going to do a big eagle, so the arms switch. And notice, my shoulders go from facing the front to completely facing back. The baton loops behind your arm, and then they come back over to finish switching for the figure 8, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we flash again. 1, 2. This next part is going to be the hardest part of your feature, but it looks harder than it is, so don't let it freak you out. Your arm comes in. This is an elbow, just a single elbow roll. The baton is going to come up to the meaty, or at least it's meaty on me, I mean, whatever. The meatiest part of your arm, so it'll roll better. And you just let it hit, and when you have that momentum going, gravity will bring it on around. As you're bringing it around, if you pull your arm forward and let it grab into that left hand. So, see if I can slow this down and keep it in camera. That was really bad. Trying to do it slow is hard. It's faster to do it. It's easier to do it faster because you've got that momentum working on your side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do a backhand toss. And again, the arms are going to go up, down, catch. A backhand toss for what we're doing, because you can do little ones, but we're going to do a tall one. So your elbow leads the movement, followed by your wrist, elbow, wrist. And you're going to extend that arm all the way up. Whoop, I tossed a little forward there. There we go. So elbow, wrist, and just like with any toss, your arm and your fingers are going to be the direction that it goes in. Unlike a thumb flip, your thumb doesn't have quite as much to do with this one. Okay, and that is the end of the majorette. Try the majorette feature section together. We just turned around from our kicks. 7, 8. 2 hand spin. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 5, 6, 7. Sling 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whip 5. Top 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. hand, nice and pretty, 7, 8. You're going to step left on count 1. Right foot comes around, 2, 3, 4. And that right foot is just ronde-jamming around past the front to put you facing the entire left side. The right hand just follows the foot. 3, 4. 5, 6, your left hand is going to cut across your shoulders while you're facing away from the audience. 5, 6, you kind of drag your feet with it. And then you reach out with a little bit of a lunge, 7, 8. From here, we shun A to the right. 1, 2, 3, set 4. The next item is a wheelbarrow. The way I like to explain wheelbarrows, it's a 3-finger pinch. Left in front of right, then right in front of left. So you let go with your right hand and you let the left hand turn all the way until it can't turn anymore, and then you grab with the right and repeat the same process. So 4, you're going to lean, or you're going to plie back with that left leg. That right foot is going to tendu front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you grab with your right hand, because we're going to just do a little whip again. Again, remember it's a circle. And we're going to face away from the audience. So whip 1, 2, flash 3, 4. Step on your left. And then we're going to skater turn over our left shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with a skater turn, keeping that left foot turned out is what's going to help keep you that momentum to go around. From here, the baton is going to flip back to you. So all it is just a single pop, just a little half rotation, and then it's going to go in on 2. So think about it as just going towards your shoulder and down. We're going to do a chassé on the right leg with a flash 3, 4, followed by a deer leap. Deer leap is just passe, push down, and there's going to be another flash with that. So 3, 4, 5, 6, airplane, 7, sit, 8. And now, especially on that chassé, you really need to move to get out of the way of the color guard. So just to give you an idea, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So really move it. Don't be afraid of it. Following this, you have another hold. It is a 4 count. Yes, a 4, 8 count plus 4 count. So just like we did earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So let's try this facing the back. We just did our backhand. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Flash 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gotta make sure I stay in frame. 7, 6, 8. So go practice that. Just finished up our 4, 8 count plus 4 hold. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna start over again on 1. We're sitting here. Yes, I'm sitting here nice and pretty the entire time. We're gonna step left on count 1. On count 2, that baton is gonna cut. We're gonna go to passe and up on releve. So 1, 2. Step 3, you're gonna turn over that left shoulder. So right shoulder drag. 4. From here, you're gonna prissy walk, and you're just gonna prissy walk back out to your original spot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Now, if you don't get there in that little bit, don't worry. You've got a step chassé coming next. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left step chassé. And then we're going to do a step chassé going forward. So again, step chassés are great for moving, great for traveling a good distance. And the baton work, we're not going to flip, because trying to flip in that particular direction change is just weird. So dead stick, dead stick. That was 3, 4. Now you're going to step left on 5, flick 6, step right 7, flick left on 8. And everybody is doing that. Color guard, majorettes, and dance line. Make sure you add a lot of prissiness and a lot of cuteness to it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to let the baton drop to a sling. It is going to sling down, back behind your shoulder, and come forward. When it does, hit your toe. Hit your toe. And that's your left toe, and it does need to be pointed. And then that toe almost like reverses it and causes it to go back the opposite direction. And it's back to the right. Okay? Your leg does not have to be super bendy, your back not super flexible. As long as you keep a good shape and keep a good personality going, it will be fine. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice I've got both hands on the tip of the baton from here. The baton is going to come under. You just lift your elbow. May come up a little bit closer. So from here, you lift that elbow up, and that baton is just tucking under. And then you release it, and that momentum keeps it rolling over that shoulder. So that's 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to step back to the front on the left, 7, 8. And that's just a little cross and cut. From here, you're going to do figure 8s, just forward, and you're going to shake with them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and cute, gives you a little bit of a breather. 3, 4, you're going to flash on 5, 6. And notice, I went from that left foot kind of being free so I could bounce to centering up on that flash. Because you're going to need to step left, and you're going to end up fan kicking to the right. Now, when we do this, it is going to be a toss, and our hands are going to go behind our head. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And that is the end of that section. We've only got one more section after this, so let's try that again. So we're coming back on. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Prissy, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? I know you got this. I know you can do it. Keep working. So y'all made it. We are at the last section of this routine. So let's get going. We just finished that fan kick with a toss. 8. You're going to bring it into an X, and it leads with your elbows. Elbow, fling it up. So, and 1. From here, you're going to drop back. 2, 3, sit, 4. A little bit of a weight change because you're going to put that weight on the right as your left foot crosses back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to cross that right leg over. And when you come back to the front, that left arm just comes down. 1, 2. Step back on your right as your arms cross. 3. Throw them down as you step back on that left. 4. This next move is called a pas de bourrée. Pas de bourrée is backside front. So, right foot is going to cross back behind left. That's back. Left foot steps to the side. Side. Right foot steps forward. Front. Now we're going to reverse it. Left crosses right. Right steps to the side. Left steps front. And just so y'all can follow that from the back. Back, side, front. Back, side, front. Now, our arms, while we're doing that, are just going to come flash it over and flash it over. So we just did 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. From here, we're going to do a flash with a little passe on the right leg. We're going to do a thumb flip. And from here, I like to call this a baby doll just because it's really cute. Left hand on the hip, right hand behind your head, and you just kind of sit into it. Yeah? So that's 3, 4. You're going to step on that right foot and do a 2-hand spin like we did earlier. It stays in the left. It's going to come behind your back, turn 7, 8. From here, we do a little tiny whip. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's just a little flash to flat. We're going to do 2 prissy walks, 5, 6. And as we do them, the arms are going to come cross and cut. So 5, 6. And we're going to do 2 shakes, 7, 8, while the right hand does horizontals. From here, we're going to cut over. 1, 2. Again, our body is facing left. We're going to do figure 8s on that right hand as that left arm drags back. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to go up 7 and sit back 8. Looking over that shoulder, over towards the audience so your mommies can have all those pretty picture moments. And that is the end of that routine. So let's try it along with me. We just finished. 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you will notice that my baton does do a small breakdown there at the end. See if I can get this in the picture. All a breakdown does, now that's coming straight down. So it's a little half flip and then your arm just meets it. And guess what? That's the end of this routine. I told you all could do it. So stay strong, practice, don't let yourself get frustrated. You got this. Let's go.